To.
Po ang ating Chief PNP na yung problema po sa illegal drugs is not only the concern of law enforcers. It also involves, it's a health problem, it's an economic problem. So dito pumasok yung naging usapan na yung mga gumagamit po ng illegal drugs, some of them are not really drug dependent, some of them are social user, or some of them, in fact, may mga nahuli tayo na ang reason nila is kaya sila nagde-drugs is para magising lang sila just to extend yung working hours. I think that was the context na sinabi ng ating Chief PNP na hindi dapat tinitignan ng isang drug user as masama, kundi biktima sila. Kasi meron ding economic side. Gusto mong mag-extend ng iyong working hours. Take a case in point, yung ating mga konduktor, yung mga driver na nahuhuli po na pag nag-positive sa drugs, ang reason nila kasi grabe yung biyahe, kailangan